Hello billionaire traders, this is Gbpusd. It's going to be very quick analysis and it's going to be a very quick market outlook on Gbpusd. So I need you to watch this to particular end and let's keep it going. Now, if you look at Gbpusd, it is been in an overall bullish market, right? Meaning that the market has been giving us potential higher highs, higher lows, right? Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Now, the higher highs are what? Impulse. Then the lower low are corrections, right? Which is impulse, correction. Now the market has come to a correctional phase. Now the market is about to push to the upside as what? An impulse. So we're about to catch this particular move to the upside. And if you look here, the market keep breaking new highs. You can imagine entering for a buy here and getting out from here. This is over 500 pips. So now the market came to this low and is about to push up again. Now you can see the market push to this upside, breaking this low, this particular high. Now you can see the potential pips, and this on a daily time frame. So now the market is about to do the same thing that has been doing all the way here. So you can imagine if price is if you are taking a buy from here and you can hold the price break above this particular high, even to this particular high alone. Let's calculate the pip count. Now from here to here, right, is over how many pips? Now let's do the calculation again. From here to here is over 385 pips. You can imagine if the price can even go above that, all right, you can get potential almost 400 or 500 pips. So now let's see how we can capitalize on this particular move. This is on a daily time frame. Let's go down to the 4-hour time frame and see what is happening on 4-hour time frame. So now on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that price is about to push to the upside, right? Now price has come into this particular demand zone, right? You can see. So we're expecting to take a buy and hold to this particular level. And this is going to be a very swing trade opportunity, but you can also day trade it, right? Now how can you go in? On the 4-hour time frame, the 4-hour candle has closed, while another one still forming. Now the 4-hour candle closed, the previous 4-hour candle closed as a bullish engulfing candle, right? Because I already have some analysis on it, because we are also looking at this trade in my inner circle community. If you look here now, the 4-hour candle closed with this bullish engulfing candle, right? With this bullish candle, right? So now you're waiting for how we can get in. And while I'm currently filming this particular video, we have CPI coming in the next 1 hour, right? The market can be reacting towards the CPI news, but if you look at the market structure, price is about to push to the upside here, right? About to push to the upside here. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Let's see what is happening. So now on the 1 hour time frame, this could have been a perfect entry for us here, this bullish engulfing candle. But because we have this previous support, right, that is now serving as a resistance here. So that's the reason why you see me put this zone here. I'll be waiting for price to break above this resistance, right, to give me a potential break and a retest. So if I can see price do something like this, go up, come back, then I can go in for what? A buy there, right? And this is my confirmation for entering. So right now there's nothing we can do, not because of we can't buy from here, because if you buy from here, you'll be buying under a resistance, which is not a very good way to trade. So let's go to the 15-minute time frame and see what we can potentially be looking at for. Now on the 15-minute time frame, what do we have here? You can see that price is finding its way to break this particular resistance, right? Several times price has been attempting to break it, right? But right now, because of the news, that is why you are seeing this reaction here. So but one that can confirm that we have a breakout candle here, right, precisely on the 1 hour time frame. I wouldn't want a 15-minute candle to break out of this. There's a reason for that. I've explained that a lot in my previous video. Make sure you do it to check all the videos. Now if I have a 1 hour breakout candle, or better still 4-hour candle break above this zone, then that is a very strong confirmation for me, right? But for me, this is where I've been waiting for price to come if I can go in for a buy here. Then my stop loss will just be below this low, right, like 23 pips. Then we're targeting, right, our first TP will just be here, right? It will be over, right, 1:1.7 restored wall. Then we'll be looking at second TP here, right? Now this is the day trading approach. right? This is about 5 risks to reward, right? 5 hours. So you're risking 23 pips to get over 126 pips, right? You can imagine how huge that is, right? And this particular strategy is also called 90% rule. I've explained this often time in my YouTube channel. Make sure you do it to go watch that video. And this is an A+ setup, right? I already shared this information on my VIP community. Let's go and check that. You can see I already gave them the information that this is what I'll be looking at for on Gbpusd this morning, and everybody's waiting for the setup to play out. We might take the setup during the or after the CPI news, or might even just go in right now before the CPI news, but we want to be very conservative on our trading, and this is how you become profitable in the forex market. Learn to take advantage, and overall price is still coming here, right? Price is still coming here overall, right? Remember, we're looking at 380 pips, right? Price is still coming here, and this is going to be very long swing trading opportunity, right? But you can take advantage of this particular trade if you are seeing this video right now. This is happening right now. Currently filming this video on a Tuesday, the 15th of July, right? So if you find it helpful, put in the comment section below, like this video and share. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so that by the time I come up with another banger video again, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next legit video.